Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make karaage. Karaage is Japanese fried chicken. It takes some time because you need to marinate the chicken, but it's super easy to make. It's so juicy inside and crispy, almost crunchy on the outside, and it's simply so good and addictive. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this karaage, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 3 chicken thigh, 1 cup each of potato starch and all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons each of sesame oil, soy sauce and sake, 1 tablespoon each of grated garlic and grated ginger, and some salt and pepper. Let's cut the chicken. You can make karaage with the skin on or skin off, either way you like. I like to do it with the skin off. So remove the skin. And trim off all the fat. Try to make it as clean as possible. Cut it here. So there is a bigger half and smaller half. Let's cut the smaller half into 3. And the bigger half into 4. Then put them in a Ziploc container. Same for the other chicken. Let's put all the seasonings. Sake, soy sauce, sesame oil, garlic and ginger, and salt and pepper, about a teaspoon. Give it a good mix. Put the lid on and let it sit at least for 3 hours, if possible overnight in the fridge. I'm going to wait until tomorrow. It's day 2 and here is the chicken I marinated overnight, so it's time to fry. While you heat up some vegetable oil in the frying pan, it's about 1 inch from the bottom of the frying pan over medium heat. Let's dust the chicken. Flour and starch in a large bowl. Mix it. And put the chicken, only the chicken, not with the liquid. And mix well. So the chicken is well dusted. Let's check the temperature of the oil. Put damp chopsticks into the oil And if you see small bubbles coming up like this, the oil is ready. Let's put the chicken one by one gently into the oil. And fry them for about 5 minutes. Try not to touch them too much at the beginning until the outside is set. Fry it for 4 minutes. For the last 1 minute, bring the heat to high. It will make karaage even crispier. Looks good. So let's take them out and drain. Heat back to medium. And clean the oil. Then the next batch. All fried and it's done. Let's try one. Itadakimasu. It's very juicy and well seasoned, even inside the chicken. And the crust is so crispy, almost crunchy, and it's simply so good. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Karaage is the main, so it goes here. Plain rice here, and enoki mushroom miso soup here. The main is deep fried and rich, so let's have something light for the side dishes. How about daikon salad for one of them, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!